Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, May 10th. Well, these indices were waiting for the China tariff situation to settle out. Don't look for anything on Friday. My feeling is the issue is going to be what happens after Friday. Do they continue talking? That will be important. I want to thank everyone at the trading show today who mentioned the videos. Thank you for saying something, and I'm glad you're enjoying them. Let's talk about what's happening in the Russell indice. This is Asia right now in that market. I'm looking for a sideways move, possibly lower, because we don't have a lot of positive things happening in terms of these tariff talks, which is those are really front and center in terms of what's on the market's mind. At least that's the way it appears. And if we take a look at these currencies, the market that I find interesting is Bitcoin. We had a lot of discussions at the trading show about this marketplace. Momentum is building. We're seeing that follow through here. The issue is, can it be maintained? And so far, no one's abandoning ship. Friday could give us that clue how confident this market is. And in interest rates, I look for a sideways move. I'm bearish on the 10-year notes, but right now I'm looking for an inside day in that market. And let's talk about the metals. Copper firmed up, which really kind of surprises me. The magnitude change between this bullish and bearish levels. That right there is $1,250 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day in that market. Fundamentals aren't there, I don't think, to drive that market. But let's take a look at nat gas. This is a market that should have given us follow through on Thursday, which it failed to do. I'm looking for an inside and maybe even a little bit lower movement in that market for Friday. And when it comes to the grains, well, let's take a look at the wheat market. We had a nice break to the downside. Follow through? I don't think so. I don't look for a big day down. I don't look for that size of move. Much smaller move, if at all, if we move lower. I'm looking for basically an inside day. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.